What's going on, everyone? I'm gonna make this really quick video. I'm gonna be talking about 3 ways and methods. Well, 3 ways you can use to get in contact with your social media marketing clients, and it's the strategies that I've been using to get in contact and land meetings. So I'll be talking about 3 ways. There's so many ways you can do this. I'm just gonna talk about 3. So the way you can do it, the first way, is cold calling. Cold calling is basically when you call the company. You can go on the internet, evaluate someone's page, then you get their number, and you call them. You can either provide value, and you can pitch the business. It's a very simple way. One of the downsides is the boss is usually not there, so maybe you have to follow up in some sort of way, or it's getting past the gatekeeper. A lot of us in this social media marketing agency niche and things of that nature, they're used to they get marketing calls like this all the time. So, getting past the gatekeeper is pretty difficult unless you have a strategy that I know to get past them very simply, and you can get right to the boss, get to someone who is the decision maker. That's the whole goal. Remember, one tip you want to keep in your head when you're cold calling is you want to get past the gatekeeper. You don't want to pitch your business to the gatekeeper. You want to pitch your business to the decision maker. All right. So that's strategy number 1 is cold calling. There's a lot that goes into that strategy, but that's just an example of how you can. Number 2 is cold emails. When it comes to cold emailing, it's a numbers game with that. People like to think of it, but it also can be a value game too. Basically, cold emailing is almost like cold calling, but you're just emailing a bunch of people to you're basically emailing a bunch of businesses. I suggest you do it niched up, like meaning a targeted business, and you're emailing them. And my initial email, honestly, would be just to see if someone's there, and then I would, follow up when someone replies with, either providing value or pitching my services or trying to set up a meeting, things like that. So there's cold calling, there's cold emailing. They're pretty similar, but they kind of work in a way the same. Now, and the third way, and the final way I'm going to discuss in this video, it's going to be a short video today, is Facebook advertising. Delivering your messages to business owners using Facebook ads is one of the most powerful ways, because of the fact that they're clicking on your link. It's not like you're just forcing it upon them. They're clicking your link and voluntarily clicking the link because they're interested in what you provide, and then you can take advantage of their interest and leverage their emotions for your need of your service. This is one of the most powerful ways to bring clients and customers to your business. The same way as you would do for theirs, you'll use Facebook advertisement, Instagram advertising, Twitter advertising. The same things you'll do for them, you can do for yourself. Now, Facebook advertising is much easier than cold calling and cold emailing, but the thing about it is, there's a chance that when you're targeting, you can screw up and you can waste a lot. You have to actually invest when targeting these business owners, and there's a chance that you're running an ad and it's not successful for you because your targeting's messed up, because you don't know who to target exactly. You don't know who you want to talk to. And that's why whenever I'm doing any of my opportunities, I decided to create this social media marketing agency course, basically for people who are interested in starting their own social media marketing agency. I've learned from the best, so you're going to get what I know from the best, and then I also provide a lot of value from my journey that I've experienced. I'm not at the elevated top yet. I'm not like Ty Lopez or Joe Soto, because they're more popular in a way, but I'm going to show you starting from the beginning, and someone who's never, I've done marketing before for my businesses, so yeah, I have before, but just starting it from closer to the scratch, basically, for you, helping you guys get a little intro and how you can start your social media marketing agency. So if you're interested in that course, click the link, and also remember to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to keep providing value. And remember, cold calling, cold emailing, and Facebook advertising, use those to target your owners. You can find them really easily just using the internet, leveraging the internet to create a business. Remember, all these things are worth it because look, at the end of the day, they'll be paying you anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 per month just to bring them more business to their business. So think about the end result if you succeed. Don't hold back from anything. Don't think about if you fail. If you do fail, overcome your failures. That's what makes the difference. That's the difference between the success and failures, your ability to overcome the failures you achieve. So if you're interested in a course, click the link below. It's going to be there. I think I have about 6 spots left because I want to create a test group to see how this goes. And then from there on, I'm going to be plummeting more and more and more into it. So get access now. First come, first serve. See you on the inside. Peace.